The Mediterranean diet isn't just a diet, it's a lifestyle, a celebration of fresh, flavorful, and wholesome food. It's a testament to the vibrant cultures that dot the Mediterranean coast, each adding their unique flair to this rich culinary tradition. At the heart of this diet lies the mezze platter, a delightful array of tastes and textures that truly encapsulates the essence of the Mediterranean. From silky hummus to smoky baba ganoush, each component has a story to tell. Let's dive into the art of creating the perfect Mediterranean mezze platter. No mezze platter is complete without the creamy, rich, and utterly addictive hummus. Hummus, a delectable concoction of chickpeas, tahini, garlic, lemon juice, olive oil, ground cumin, and just a pinch of salt, is a true Mediterranean staple. Making it is as easy as pie, or should we say, as smooth as hummus. First, throw all the ingredients into a food processor. Blend them until you achieve a smooth consistency, scraping down the sides as needed. If your hummus turns out too thick, don't fret. A little water can help you achieve the desired consistency. Now, for the final touch, taste and adjust the seasoning to your liking. Maybe it needs a little more salt, or perhaps an extra squeeze of lemon juice. Once you're satisfied, transfer your hummus to a serving bowl and give it a generous drizzle of olive oil. And just like that, you've created a bowl of creamy, dreamy hummus. Next up on our mezze journey is baba ganoush, a smoky, flavorful eggplant dip. This Mediterranean delight is simple to make and requires only a handful of ingredients: 2 medium eggplants, a quarter cup of tahini, 2 to 3 cloves of minced garlic, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, and salt to taste. Let's get started. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Prick your eggplants with a fork and place them on a baking sheet. Roast them in the oven for about 45 to 50 minutes, or until they're tender. After they cool, peel off the skin and discard it. You're left with the soft, smoky flesh, which you'll mash in a bowl. Add in your tahini, minced garlic, lemon juice, olive oil, ground cumin, and salt, and mix until well combined. Voila! You've just made a delicious baba ganoush that's ready to be devoured. Now, let's brighten up our mezze platter with tabouli, a vibrant, fresh, and citrusy salad. This popular Middle Eastern dish is a symphony of finely chopped parsley, mint, and green onions, combined with tender bulgur wheat, and topped off with a tangy dressing of lemon juice and olive oil. To start, soak the bulgur in boiling water until it's tender and has absorbed all the liquid. Once it's done, let it cool to room temperature. While the bulgur is cooling, get your chopping board ready for a workout, because it's time to finely chop the parsley, mint, green onions, and tomatoes. Combine all these fresh ingredients in a large bowl and add the cooled bulgur. Give everything a good toss before drizzling over the lemon juice and olive oil. Add a sprinkle of salt to taste and give it another toss. Let it sit for a while, allowing all those beautiful flavors to meld together. There you have it, a refreshing tabouli that adds a burst of freshness to our mezze platter. To round off our mezze platter, we need 3 essential Mediterranean ingredients: olives, feta cheese, and pita bread. These final touches are the soul of our platter, infusing it with authenticity and a diverse palette of flavors. First, let's talk about olives. These small fruits are a staple of Mediterranean cuisine, offering a range of flavors from briny and salty to rich and buttery. They add a delightful variety of textures and tastes to our platter. Assorted olives, like Kalamata, green, and stuffed ones, are a true treat for the taste buds. Next, we have feta cheese. This crumbly, salty cheese, made from sheep's milk or a combination of sheep and goat's milk, adds a tangy and creamy element to our mezze. Feta cheese is like the Mediterranean Sea itself, bold, fresh, and undeniably enchanting. And finally, the pita bread. This soft, round flatbread can be served as is or toasted and cut into wedges to make pita chips. It's the perfect tool for scooping up the various dips and spreads on the platter. It's the humble hero that brings everything together. These 3 ingredients, olives, feta, and pita, are more than just food. They're the embodiment of Mediterranean hospitality and the spirit of sharing. With these final touches, our Mediterranean Mezze Platter is complete, ready to be shared, enjoyed, and celebrated. Feast your eyes on this a colorful, vibrant, and delicious Mezze Platter, bursting with the flavors of the Mediterranean. Each element, from the creamy hummus and smoky baba ganoush to the fresh tabouli and tangy feta, plays a role in this symphony of tastes. The assorted olives offer a delightful variety, while the pita bread serves as the perfect canvas for these flavors. Remember, the Mediterranean diet is more than just a diet, it's a lifestyle, a celebration of food. And with this Mezze Platter, you're not just eating, you're celebrating.